Hi guys, I'm 101 Crunchy here again. This is part 2 of energy reading lesson 1, I'm sorry. This is the part 2 of lesson 1 reading. If you were watching my other video, the former video, it's about kinetic energy and potential energy. This, okay, so I guess you guys get that point. Alright. So I'm gonna read now. Now. If you want to do a book again, this is because in case you didn't watch the first part, it's kinetic. Thank you. Kinetic energy. Oh, 1 minute, please. Do you want these?
No, I just wanted to remind you about them.
Oh, I want them. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna eat a lot of work. Okay, I'm sorry. We're really back on track. I'm sorry. So it's a hardcore book. It's a 6th grade edition for science, and I'm gonna read. It's on page E76, but we are on E77. And I'm reading from there's a little mini paragraph finishing up, and then it says the kinetic energy is where I'll begin. Alright, so sit back and enjoy the ride. The kinetic energy of an object depends on the mass of an object. A bowling ball that hits an object at 20 kilometers/hour, about 12 miles an hour, can cause greater challenges than a tennis ball hitting an object at the same speed. Right. One sec, I'm just positioning this camera. Alright. If the bowling ball has greater kinetic energy, it must have had greater potential energy too. Because energy, I'm just gonna put it down here. Oh dear. Yeah, this is really hard to work with. Okay. Sorry, I'm really trying. I really am. Oh man. I thought I must have stopped recording. Okay. There we go. Ready? So if you don't see my face, I'm sorry. Okay. Energy too. Because energy cannot be created. So if two objects have the same elevation or height, the one with the greater mass has greater potential energy. Potential energy occurs in many forms. A battery has potential energy in form stored as chemical energy. A compressed spring has potential energy too. The water behind a dam has potential energy. The water at the top has potential energy due to its elevation, while the water at the bottom has potential energy due. Oh, sorry, I'm so here. Due to pressure, all these kinds of potential energy can change into other forms of energy. The chemical change in a battery changes to electric energy. As a spring expands its energy, changes to mechanical energy. The energy of the water changes to mechanical energy. When the gate of the dam is opened, release the water. Now I'm going to read a caption where the skateboarder is. So if you would actually excuse me for a minute, I have like a little thing I'd like to show you. So just give me 1 minute, and I'm going to read this first, then you think about it, and I'm going to show you something. Let me read it first. At the top of the slope, the skateboarder's potential energy is at its greatest, and he has no kinetic energy. At the bottom of the slope, the skateboarder's kinetic energy is at its greatest and has no potential energy at any point on his path. The sum of the skateboarder's potential and kinetic energy is the same. Potential energy and kinetic energy is at the bottom. Okay, now you can turn the page to E78, but I will be. Wait, let me just put that back over here. 1 second. Be right back. Just don't go anywhere. You're just gonna see nothing really quick. So be right back. 1 sec. Don't go anywhere.
Just be careful. In
I'm
case the
moving.
turtles are.
I thought the turtle's in this cage.
No, I like it.
Okay, okay. Sorry, alright, I'm back. Sorry to keep you waiting. I had to go on my back somewhere. Alright, so as we read about in the books, I think it's really fun to do hands-on activities. And this might have to cut into like 4 parts now, but it's so fun. So I want to show you something. This is my skateboard. Wait, I gotta show it this way. Oh, I'm not even showing you my skateboard, am I? I'm trying. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm showing you the skateboard or not. It's reflecting toward me, so I have to go. Okay, I don't know if you can see the skateboard or not. If you probably saw it, you might not saw it. I don't know. I'm trying to work with this camera, but I haven't really learned how to use it yet. So anyway, I'm going to step on the skateboard. As you might see, I just got higher. Now, if I had a ramp, which I do not have at the moment, I'd be able to skateboard down the ramp at my speed. But if I made it, I'm sorry, a little higher each time, which time would I go the fastest? The highest elevation I'm at is the fastest I would go. And sometimes it's really fun, and skateboard's really good exercise. If you watch my later videos, I have not made them yet, I will be giving you exercising. I'll be making exercise videos for kids who want to exercise with me, or like online, just watch, like do some exercise, get some fitness going round and round. So, yeah, so I'm going to keep reading. And you will be, if you want to see that car video about how to, like the car speed thing, I talked about in lesson 1, the video before this one, like part 1, lesson 1, reading. You can watch that, and that one will give you a lot of help. It says that I'm going to be actually doing that one too, which will actually be happening pretty soon. So I hope you guys like that. I probably will do a lot of the activities. Some of them I might say, oh, I can't do that, and I have to have the right equipment. So don't do these if you don't have the right equipment. They can hurt you or damage you. And make sure you always have a parent's permission before doing any of this thing. So before I go on, I'm gonna read. Actually, before I go on, yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna read again. Let me just get back over there. Wait, now I think I can show you my skateboard from far. I'm trying. Oh, I don't think that's my skateboard. That's my school. It's a skateboard. It's hard to extract, but because my camera's the other way. But okay. So, I'm just gonna keep reading. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm going for about 10 minutes each time. So then if I don't get to finish, I'll continue. So ready? I'm gonna keep going. Thermal energy and heat. Kinetic energy is not. Wait a minute. Okay. Kinetic energy is not always visible. The particles that make up a substance are always moving. These particles have kinetic energy because of their movement. The kinetic energy of the moving particles of a substance or object is called thermal energy. The more thermal energy an object has, the hotter it is. You'll probably notice that appliances such as computers and televisions get warmer as they run. Some of the energy used by appliances is changed to thermal energy. And I just want to say a good study habit is to write down in the beginning of the chapter on E72. Let me make sure it's E72. Yeah, E72. Write the words down. Get all of the words down, get the definitions, and then use them as study cards. It really helps. Also, I was saying something about how I'm going to be making nutrition videos. When I say physical health, I will be doing like running and stuff, but also I want to say like I can show you eat healthy. For example, these are baby carrots. And always check the nutrition manual. They can really give you some ideas on what you're eating and stuff, and they can really help you. For example, I'm not going to go over this now because this is a science video. So I'm going to end this video now. I'm going to go on to the next video, which is going to be called part 3. And then we're going to hope to finish I think I can finish part 3 in one video. Well, not one video, you know what I mean. So I'm going to go. I'm not going for good. So I'm Crunchy 101. I'm not Crunchy 101. I'm sorry, my mistake. I'm 101 Crunchy signing off only for part 2. I'll be right back for part 3. So 101 Crunchy signing off for part 2.